Independent.
Positive.
Cheerful.
Positive.
Cooperative.
Positive.
Caring.
Positive.
Argumentative.
Negative.
Honest.
Positive.
Courageous.
Positive.
Dependent.
Positive. Negative.
Why?
It's both.
It's the opposite. Or, like Darren said, it can be both. Being dependent on someone isn't necessarily a bad thing, but sometimes it can be. So we're going to put plus / minus.
That's what independent is too.
And you're right. Very good. So we can say independent could be both too, because if you're too independent, you don't know how to ask for help, that could become a problem as well.
Mm-hmm.
Loyal.
Positive.
Funny.
Positive.
Angry. Patient.
Positive.
Okay, good. So
Sometimes funny can be a bad thing because you can get in trouble trying to be funny.
you're right. Next time, raise your hand. Thank you. Yes, Darian. And we're going to get up and we're going to mingle around and you're going to actually share out what character traits you have. But not only do I want you to have the character trait, but I want you to explain why. So don't just say I'm funny. Give an example as to why you have that character trait. Okay? So right now, just think. No writing, just thinking. Yes, Adrian. I'm sorry? Humble. It means that you don't really, you're gracious, and that you don't really, like, you're not arrogant. You don't take things for granted. Where are you at? Okay. So yes. So that's the way when you're not arrogant, you're not cocky, you're very, like, gracious. Does that make sense? Okay. Have a seat. Yes, Reginald.
On page 15, do I still got to write the question for both of these surveys because they are the same question?
Yes, because this survey right here is for who? This is about who? Your classmates, and this is about, right. So yes, because under classmates, you're going to be talking about what your classmates do. Under this one, you're going to be talking about what you do.
So
Okay?
I still got to write the question for both of them?
Yes, sir.
They're both the same question.
I know. Yes, sir. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Jamon, you're reading? Okay. You done your assignment? Put your journal away, please. Thank you. So you should be reading. Your book's closed. Go put your journal away and then read. Okay. So what you guys are going to be able to do now is, oh wait. You guys want to leave me already?
No.
Class ends at 11. Okay. So what? I'm sorry? No, you have to go to all your classes. Remember your character traits, your actions? Okay, we're not doing this right now. Thank you. Alright, so what you guys are supposed to do is you were supposed to talk about your character traits. So you guys can, alright, it's going to be kind of difficult because you guys are in a small group, but you guys can get up and walk around, and when I say freeze, you're going to pair up with whoever's near you. There's only 5 of you, so there's going to be a group of 3 and a group of 2. Hands up, pair up, and then you're going to be able to share out with your partner, okay? Your actions are showing her that you're not caring, that you're not being respectful of what she has to say. We know that our rules are when someone is speaking, you're what? Are you showing active listening skills? You're being disrespectful. Sit up and let her finish and don't have the attitude that you have right now. Now, take your backpack from underneath you. Put it beside you. Put your chair. Thank you, sir. I apologize, Leilani. Go ahead. Speak up. One second.
I'm trying to see how we get out this thing.
So now, this is the next part. So now we did it as a group. The next one has to go one by one. And you communicate with the person, but it must be encouraging. Alright, so we're going to start with Miss Support. Go ahead and unravel yourself.
I gotta do this one.
Whatever you want to do, it's your decision. Okay?
Who won next?
No, one at a time.
Okay, good.
Alright, go back. You cannot let hands go. Big yell. Big yell.
I want to see you again. Ow, stop. Stop. Turn your head around.
Everybody turns? Not yet.
Man.
One at a time.
No, we still.
Wrong direction. Ladies. You guys are raveled still. No, you can't let hands go. You cannot let your hands go. Okay, turn. You let her hand go. You're cheating.